Hello my dear students. Today we are going to learn the properties of determinants. Okay. Last class we have discussed the definition of determinants, how to find the value of the determinant of a order 1 degree matrix, 2 by 2 matrix and 3 by 3 matrix. So now we are going to learn property 1. Okay. So the property 1, which is also very important, we have to study the property. Okay. The value of the determinant remains unchanged if its rows and columns are interchanged. Means if we interchange the row as a column, we will get the same value of the determinant. Okay. So we can prove it. Okay. How we can prove it? So let delta be a determinant if A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, then C1, C2, C3. This is a given determinant. Okay, so how we will find the value? We are going to expand along the first row. First row we are going to expand. So its value will become A1, first element. So this row, its corresponding column, you just vanish in your mind. Then this cross multiply here. Okay. B2 C3 minus C2 B3. C2 B3. Here it was plus. Next the sign will change as negative A2. Okay. Then we have to take its corresponding row and its corresponding column. This one. Okay. Then these elements are remaining. Then A2 into we have B1, B3, C1, C3. So C3 B1 minus we have C1 B3. Then the last element we have A3, it will be plus. Again the sign will change as plus. The last element we have A3. Its corresponding row and column just vanish in your mind. And remaining you will get this one again. A 2 by 2 matrix. Then you can take B1 C2 minus B2 C1. Okay. B1 C2 minus we have C1 B2. If you want, you can open the bracket and write. Here A1 you can open and write. Okay. So we will get A1 B2 C3 minus A1 C2 B3. Then minus next element we have A2. A2 then expand it. Okay, first you can write B. B1 C3. Here minus will become plus when we open the bracket. Plus A2 we have here C1 B3. Then next plus A3. Opening the bracket we will get A3 B1 C2. Then minus we have again A3 C1 B2. Okay. On expanding we are getting this. Okay. Then we have to interchange the rows and columns, and once again we can check whether it is equal to this answer. So we are going to interchange the rows and columns of this matrix. Okay. So it will become just like taking transpose in matrices. We can denote it as delta 1. The new matrix delta 1 can be represented as A1, A2, A3. This was row in the earlier matrix, now it is column. Similarly B1, B2, B3, then C1, C2, C3. So this is the matrix that we have interchanged the rows and columns. Again we are going to expand it in column. You can expand either in row wise or column wise. Okay. If you are expanding in row wise, we will get A1. Its corresponding row and column just vanish. These four elements we have B2 C3 minus B3 C2. Then next element we have minus sign. So it will become minus B1. Its corresponding row and column you can vanish it. its corresponding row and column. Then these four elements, okay. So minus B1 we have here A2 C3 minus we have A3 C2. Okay, it's C, okay, it's C. Then last element we have C1. So its sign will be plus, because alternatively the sign will change. So the last element we have plus C1, its corresponding row and column. Then remaining four elements we have A2 B3 minus we have A3 B2. Clear? So now we can take this A1, B1, C1 inside. So how we will get A1, B2, C3 minus again A1, B3, C2 minus we have here B1, B1, A2, C3. Then here negative will become plus B1, A3, C2. Then last element we have plus C1, A2, B3 minus we have C1, A3, B2. Okay. So these two matrices these two answers we need to check whether it is equal. This answer and this answer. Okay. We can check whether it is coming equal or not. Okay. So first element here it is A1, B2, C3. Here also A1, B2, C3 minus A1, B3, C2. Here A1, C2 is there, B3 is there. Order, no problem. It's multiplication, correct? So next term, it's B1 is there, A2 is there, C3 is there. So same term. Plus we have here this one is this term, okay. Here B1, A3, C2 plus we have here C1, B3, A2 minus we have A3, C1, B2. These two terms are actually same. That is, we have proved the property 1. Here delta 1 is actually equal to delta. On interchanging the rows and columns, we are getting the same answer of the determinant, okay. Thus we proved the property 1. That is, the value of the determinant remains unchanged if its rows and columns are interchanged, okay. You have to learn the property with the proof, okay. So keep practicing all. Thank you.